Alright, got an extra light, and I put one side on already. That's the driven racing. If you can see it, driven racing rear spool. I started with what's easy first. No Loctite. All right. And we're gonna start our pretty much our tear down. Try to get this fuel tank off so we can get to the air box and get into here so we can take the servo, the air, the flapper valve out of here. We gotta get there. Let me see something. Oh, it's right there too. It's way up here in the head of the bike. So I gotta get there. And excuse me for constantly sucking my nose snot. Because my nose is running because it's cold. Like I said, it's still cold. My body temperature isn't cold, but it's just generally cold. So while I'm breathing, this cold air is getting up in me. And that just pulls up and out. And you gotta slide that to the side. Hold on, let me put this up here. You got a little tool kit. Slide that to the side. Somehow it pops out. There we go. There we go. Seat slides back and off. All right, that was easy enough. Probably jinxed myself just now. I don't like how they did that. I'm gonna have to set this over to the side more. I don't like how they did that. God damn. I'm gonna be ordering another battery anyway, but god damn. I think they could have did a better job than that. But I'm about to take this whole rear section apart. Again, excuse me. I'm about to take this whole rear section apart so I can get to the tail light. And see a little scratch right here. Oh, that ain't a scratch, that's just an outline. All right, I'm gonna continue. I gotta get the rest of this tail section off. We gotta push this pin. And then lift it up from the bottom. Same thing with this other side. So I'm gonna just go ahead and push it in. I'm gonna use my fingernails to lift it out. Bam. Use my fingernails to lift it out. Bam. Alright. I got a little pull. I got these little pull tabs that snap in up. But you got little pressure push pins down here in the bottom. That just pop out. These little things just pop right out for you. But you gotta add a little pressure, so use a little bit of pressure. Well, this other side is the same, but this other side has the trunk lock, if you want to call it a trunk lock. And then this is loose to come off. So now we gotta take these little bolts out. Gotta straighten this battery out. The dealer, they just threw that on there, look like, or had somebody that doesn't regularly work on bikes put that on there. I don't regularly work on bikes, and I can see that that's jacked up. Look at that. That's, here's what it is. Let's keep going. I'm gonna finish up this tail section. Put it back together, and then take those plastics off and get up into the tank. All those the same length, so we're good on those. I'm gonna hook it better. I got a 10. All the mechanics out there know what be going on with these 10 millimeters. Hardest thing to find when you need one. Alright, the battery is unhooked. The battery is unhooked. I feel more comfortable with unplugging sensors. That's out of the way. Now let's see what's holding you in. Tail light. I might have to get to. Alright, it's still working. I had to take the GoPro off of my head because I think the battery went dead. So I put it on the charger. I'm gonna keep working the. We got an integrated tail light on. What I'm gonna do now is take the servo body off. I mean, not the servo, but the exhaust servo. And then put the servo body in. I'm gonna have to go and take this servo motor all the way out. Well, take the whole exhaust off. Loosen all of these. Alright, so I got the servo and the wires out. I put the servo, installed the servo body. So I'm gonna just zip tie that down and keep it moving. I'm about to put all this back together, and the only other thing I have to do as far as this back tail section is wire the tag light. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting this back tail section back together. Get this tail light wired up. But you seen the breakdown. That was the breakdown, and the exhaust, yeah, the exhaust is off, all the way off. I'm not sure if you can see it down there, but the exhaust is all the way off. I'm gonna keep chopping at it.